The world's second largest economy is quietly collapsing, and no one's talking about it. China, a global trade giant, might be hiding a deeper crisis behind its rapid growth and towering skylines. Could this economic downturn have a global consequence? Let's uncover what China does not want the world to see. For decades, China has been the poster child for economic growth, transforming from a largely rural economy into a global industrial powerhouse in just a few decades. Through rapid industrialization and a massive export market and a booming real estate sector, China became the world's second largest economy. However, beneath this impressive success story lies a series of serious economic problems that are slowly starting to unravel. And the government is doing its best to keep this collapse under wraps. China's real estate market, once a key driver of its economy, is now a major concern. Fueled by speculation and heavy borrowing, the market has created ghost cities and massive debt. Evergrande's collapse highlights a larger issue within the sector, threatening the broader economic instability. Now, why does this matter to the rest of the world? The answer is simple. China's economy is deeply interconnected with the global market. If its real estate sector collapses, the financial consequences won't just stay within China's border. They will ripple across the globe. Since China is also one of the world's largest exporters, a slowdown in its economy will mean less trade, leading to supply chain problems and slower growth worldwide. But it's not just real estate that is in trouble. China's overall debt levels are staggering. Local governments have borrowed heavily to fund large-scale infrastructure projects, many of which haven't produced the economic benefits needed to repay those loans. Over time, this has created what many economists call a debt bomb. What's even more concerning is how the Chinese government is dealing with these issues, or rather how it's avoiding dealing with them. Growth figures are often exaggerated, and negative news about the economy is heavily censored by the media. By controlling the narrative, the government hopes to keep investors and the Chinese public confident in the economy. But this tactic can only work for so long. So let's take a look at China's unemployment numbers as an example. Officially, the government claims the unemployment rate is around 5%, which seems manageable. But many experts believe the real number is much higher. The reality is that millions of workers, particularly in construction and manufacturing, have lost their jobs due to the downturn in the real estate market and the falling demand for Chinese exports. On top of all this, President Xi Jinping's push for common prosperity has caused additional problems. The goal of this initiative is to reduce income inequality, which is a noble cause in theory. However, in practice, it has meant cracking down on private enterprises, especially in the tech sector. Companies like Alibaba and Tencent are leaders of China's economic future, but have been hit hard by government interventions. They've lost billions of dollars in market value, and investors are becoming more and more cautious about putting their money into China's private sector. As a result, economic growth in some of the most innovative sectors has slowed down. If that wasn't already enough, China's also dealing with major demographic challenges. Thanks to the one-child policy, China's population is aging rapidly, and there aren't enough young workers to replace the older generations. This puts massive strain on social services, pensions, and the healthcare system. So what happens if China's economy does collapse? The global consequences will be significant. As the second largest economy in the world, a downturn in China would slow global economic growth. Countries that rely on exporting commodities like iron, oil, and copper to China, places like Australia and Brazil, would suffer from reduced demand. Global stock markets will likely take a hit as investors react to the uncertainty. And for countries that rely on Chinese imports, supply chain disruptions could lead to shortages and rising prices. The political fallout within China could also be severe. The Chinese Communist Party has long relied on economic growth as a key source of its legitimacy. As long as the economy is booming, the party can maintain control. China's once celebrated economic rise now faces severe challenges, including a collapsing real estate market, mounting debt and aging population, and strict government controls. If this analysis of China's economic crisis caught your interest, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth insights on global events that shape our future. Turn on the notification to never miss deep dive into stories like this one.